Hello, so my name is Bryce Tubbs. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. Today's video is going to be talking about, how to be a little bit happier. So, the number one thing for me is that when my business was not really going, I wasn't extremely happy. Now, it wasn't because of money or anything like that. It was just because it was like, I felt like I could be doing more. And it caused me to go inside of a little bit of a shell and not really talk to a lot of people. You know, it wasn't that I was antisocial or I was a little bit mean or anything like that. It was more just like, oh, I got to get this stuff to work in order for me to be able to go and, change my life and to actually be able to cause some impact. You know, it really comes down to a word called momentum. To be able to actually, start having things work for you. Because once one thing works in your life, right? For example, if you start losing weight, you start to notice that other things in your life start moving up as well. That is something that's very, very, very interesting. So once you can start getting your business to start moving forward, and you can stop worrying about money or start worrying about having to go back towards a job, you're going to be able to start moving forward and start getting that better life that you deserve. Then you're going to start smiling. Then you're going to start talking to more people. Then more people are going to want to follow you. Then your video content's going to get even better. Then you're going to have people like basically joining your tribe, joining your group, whatever you call it. Then you're going to have people just start wanting to throw you money. Then you're going to start having people just start wanting to connect with you in real life. Then people are just going to start gravitating towards you. And then you're really going to start noticing, hey, why was I ever even sad? I don't even remember why I was sad before. Okay? If that's something that you're searching for, I recommend you go take the first step, which is go join my group called Uncapped Growth Strategies. As the name suggests, I give you everything you need step by step to start moving towards that happiness. Start moving towards that fulfillment and actually achieving your potential. If that's something you've been searching for, I recommend you go check out the link in the description below. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed creating it. Feel free to share this video with someone who can benefit from the information as well. Have a great day, take it easy, talk to you soon, see you later.